Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Out here on the weekend, y'all. Just have me a little bit of fun out here. Figured I might as well show you guys a little bit. Give you guys some content. About to fly this guy right here. Little Franken build. Whoop. I actually built this thing out for my son to fly. 85mm frame here, but it's 1S. Got a 550 on here, so pretty small battery, but we're gonna take this guy up in the air, have some fun. Mobula 6 internals and all. So the flight controller and the canopy and the cam there are all Happy Models Mobula 6 stuff, and these props are gem fans. These motors are, let me show you the motors. They're Beta FPV if it will focus in. Okay, there it is, 1102. Come on, it's 22,000. So 22,000 kV on the motors. Let's get this guy in the air. FPV fun. Fluffing them up. Hopefully it don't go down quick. Frsky, so I won't be going too crazy with it as far as range. Take off from my dusty table right here. D8 mode. See if we can get the channel on. Yeah, I'm doing an auto search again, y'all. I ain't learned my lesson yet. Come on, lock in. We locked into something, y'all. Alright. Uh-oh. It just disarmed, y'all. Oh. So it disarms as soon as you bump into something. Let me try to get this guy going again. We in angle mode now, y'all. Oh, it says low battery. Oh man. .4. I gotta get out here with a better battery, better charged battery. Hang on, y'all. I gotta go get a better battery. Charged battery. Laying it back over here. Had to run in and grab a couple more packs, y'all. This time I'm out here with an older pack, but it's a 660 GMB. Watch out, it's a little tricky without any leaves on those twigs and stuff. Uh-oh. Oh, what's wrong with it? It's acting weird on me, y'all. Whoa. Almost killed myself on the twigs. Sound like a car coming through here. Somewhere. Yep. .5 volts. Oh. It's fail-safing on me, y'all. I'm realizing what's happening. It's fail-safing whenever I go too far. Got this darn Frsky receiver in here. Let's try to go through here, y'all. There's a little hoop up here for me. Let's not go too far. Through here again. Okay, I'm cutting a little close now. Let me bring her back in. 3.41. Oh. Let's bring that in this way. Ah, almost. Slide her over. Quick little flight, y'all. This little Franken build whoop, 85mm. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend.